guys, welcome back to my channel. It's ItsladyLondon here of Signature Plus. Good to have you guys back again. Thank you for joining me on this journey of 20 skincare tips that you will use for your lifetime. Yes, I mean your lifetime. So today's tip is going to be, I never really would I say believe? I never really believed. Yeah, I didn't believe in this for the longest time until a year started to go by, and then another year, and then another year. I was like, okay, I think I need to start doing this. But this is using eye creams. Now, this is where I differ to some extent. I would advise that you start using some kind of serum under your eyes, which anything to keep the skin under your eyes hydrated is absolutely important, because the skin under your eyes start to show aging sooner than the rest of your face. Yes, your eyes is the #1 area that shows aging before the rest of your face. And I've even seen like a lot of young people, even like teenagers sometimes, or like very early 20s, sometimes have issues under their eyes. Like you have dark circles. I'm like, but you're like 20, you're 21, you're only 23. And they start to show signs of aging under their eyes. Not because they're like 50 or anything like that. It's just because maybe they're not sleeping enough, they're not drinking enough, they have inflammation in the body, or something else is going on in the body that is showing up on the face, especially around the eye area. So what you want to do is use anything that is very, very, very moisturizing under your eyes. For example, you can use, after you take a shower, especially at night, you can use Vaseline under your eyes. Trust me, it's not gonna hurt. Just when you're ready to go to sleep, just have a container of Vaseline by your side lamp, like the table you put there for your lamp or anything like that. Any table beside your bed, just have a tiny container of Vaseline. They have those little I will get up to show you, because I have one like that. It's really, really small. It's like half of these two fingers, like half of it's really, really small. They sell those, or you can just buy a regular small size or medium size or any kind of size you want. Just make sure you have a small portion of it by your bedside. And what you want to do is, once you either come out of the shower at night, if you take a shower at night, or after washing your face at night, you want to put a very small layer or a very small film of Vaseline under your eyes. You want to look up and then put the Vaseline under your eyes, and even on top of your eyes where you have the creases on top of your eyes a lot. You want to put Vaseline under that area. Or another thing you can do is put in some hyaluronic, I can never pronounce this, hyaluronic, oh my god, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Hyaluronic acid, there we go. Under like a serum of that, you put it under your eye, you tap it in, don't rub it, tap, 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 or any part of your skin too is tap, 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 okay? Tap, 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 tap whatever serums, whatever products you put on your face, tap it in, don't rub it in. So you want to put hyaluronic acid under the serum under your eyes. You want to tap it in, and then after that soaks in, what you want to do is go in with the Vaseline as well. Or you can just do like a Vaseline on wet or damp face. You can just put the Vaseline if you don't want to do the hyaluronic acid situation. Or if you have both, you can do both. Or you want to go in with your hyaluronic acid and just put like your favorite lotion under your eyes. Just put a thin layer, just making sure this area is heavily moisturized every day. Trust me, more moisturized than the rest of your face, because that area shows aging even more than the rest of your face or body. All right, thank you for watching this tip for today, and I will see you guys later. Please share with your friends, share with your family, and tell them, yes, I know we don't believe in eye creams, but trust me, I didn't too. I didn't believe in any special creams for your face, but I believe now. But again, it's not a special cream. Just make sure it's heavily moisturized. Vaseline is like a couple of dollars. You can use that as your eye cream. You can use your favorite lotion, put that in, let that sink in, and then just put a thin layer of Vaseline over it to lock in that moisture. It's all about locking in that moisture. You can use Vaseline. If you don't believe in Vaseline, because I know some people out there don't believe in Vaseline, you can use your favorite oil to seal that area in. Jojoba oil. I use argan oil a lot as well, so you can do one of those two to help you with your under eye area. So make sure that area does not show any sign of aging, or at least minimal sign of aging. All right, I'll see you again on the next one. Whew, we're almost done guys, with this 20 tips. We're almost done, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Definitely follow me on all my socials. It's Lady London, especially my Instagram. It's Lady London, because I'm trying to get to 10,000 to start, being able to do some things with my Instagram. All right, so yeah, go like me there, follow me here, and like me on TikTok as well, and I will see you guys later. Bye.